She call me Luda, bitch, I roll out with my shooters. She wanna fuck me in a Plymouth Barracuda.
The easiest, quickest, and most flexible way to create a stunning website is by using a WordPress theme. The file dictates how everything will look, from layout, color and typography, to images and video elements, and gives you tons of ways to customize the theme to fit your brand.
All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below.
Barber, Hair, Tattoo, and Beauty Salon's WP theme by Arrow High Tech. Sharper than a pair of Sassoon scissors, this pixel-perfect, effortlessly modular WordPress theme is aimed squarely at haircut, spa, tattoo, and beauty sectors. Give your receptionist a well-earned break by handling inquiries and appointments with Barber's intuitive bookings calendar. And with more than 10 unique homepages for salons and spas of every type, you won't ever need to worry about breaking a nail just to get your site up and running.
Number 5. Fashionist, WooCommerce WordPress theme by KL Web Media. We're midway through our top 10 best Envato Elements WordPress themes of 2019. And our number 5 entry should be on your radar if you need a website to make a splash within the fashion industry. The minimalistic design of this template allows products and designer items to take center stage and really shine. With room for product descriptions, other text, and blog posts, your website will contain everything your clients could want, and more. Number 4. MT Photography by Model Theme. Our number 4 theme just screams photography portfolio. With capabilities to show full-screen images, an amazing square collage home screen with a sizable pop-up cover photo, and minimalistic navigational menus, it's every photographer's dream. It also includes features such as a blog, an About Me section, and a contact page. Start your photography career off the right way with this amazing template. Number 3. Magazine and Blog PSD Template by Middletone. Fantastic readability and usability partners with an attractive homepage design to give users the ultimate theme for a magazine, blog, or creative work in any other written format. A highly organized and easily customizable template allows users to spend their time on the important things, writing their next viral article, for example. Number 2. Taffel Clean Shop PSD Template by Middletone. If you aim to sell products, our number 2 theme has got you covered. Specially designed to cater to online businesses and their client base, it covers all aspects of the art selling. There's room for product images and descriptions, reviews, blogs, promotions, an online checkout, and more. Number 1. Zum Personal Blog WordPress Theme by iDoodle. Number 1 on our list of Envato Elements Top 10 WordPress themes of 2019 is a luxurious theme catered towards all styles of blogs and magazines. Highly customizable and easily updated and maintained, you will love using this theme to showcase your work, and your readers will love how easy it is to navigate your site. It's a super stylish way to make sure your work gets the attention it truly deserves. That was our list of our top 10 best WordPress themes for 2019. Did you connect with any of them? Which one would you use to showcase your products? Let us know in the comments down below. If you know of any friends who are looking to update their website or create a new one, make sure to share this list with them. You'll find a link to every WordPress theme used here in the description below.
When cookies were invented, they basically were little documents containing helpful information about you and your preferences. For instance, imagine selecting a certain language for a website you'd visit. You tell the website, "Hey, I'd like to view your website in, say, English." The website would then save that information to a little document, a cookie, on your computer. The next time you'd visit that website, it would be able to read the cookie it saved earlier. That way, the website could remember your language and let you view the website in English without you having to select your language again. Since the beginning of cookies, the popularity of these clever little helpers exploded, and they gradually evolved into a more complex yet essential part of the internet. During their evolution, the amount of data cookies contain started to grow. At first, they'd contain just a few preferences, like your language and maybe your preferred layout for a website. But soon, developers realized that the more information they could store about you, the better they could suit your needs. Cookies started containing more and more data, and eventually started pushing their size limitations. Subsequently, developers came up with a clever workaround. What if they would simply store a unique ID in a cookie on your computer and save the rest of the data in their own system? That way, they could save unlimited amounts of data. The cookie would simply serve as an identifier for your computer, much like a dog tag by which the website can recognize you and look up your data in its own system. This was the first leap towards so-called third-party cookies. As mentioned, only the same website that saved data to a cookie can access it later. But one website can actually contain bits of another website. These bits and pieces of other websites, embedded in the website you're visiting, are actually able to access cookies they saved to your computer earlier. Imagine visiting a news website. Apart from news articles, many news websites contain a couple of ads. These ads are in most cases bits of other websites embedded into the news website. Now, the news website you're looking at may not have saved any cookies to your computer and thus know nothing about you. But where do the ads come from? It's not unlikely that the ads on the news website are embedded from the same website as the ads on another website you visited earlier. In fact, you may visit dozens of websites with ads which are all embedded from the same website. So what does this mean? This means that if the website the ads come from has saved a cookie to your computer earlier, it can identify you and save information about you through other websites. So while you're reading that news website, shopping for new shoes, looking up cures for a headache, or reading the latest gossip, the ads on those websites can identify you, look up your information in their own system, and dynamically show ads that you're most likely to be interested in while simultaneously saving information about what you're doing online. So is this a bad thing? Are cookies dangerous? That depends, really. It is up to the creators of a website to determine what information they do and do not store, and more importantly, what they use that information for. Cookies are just a tool, just like a hammer or a saw. They can be used for bad things, but they are intended to be used for good things. The responsibility lies with the people putting them to use.
From single website owners to agencies, e-commerce, and enterprise companies, everyone has to be compliant with national and international privacy laws, like the GDPR. Legislations are always changing and can be complicated with very specific requirements. Legal documents may be invalid if they're not written properly. Even having outdated documents can put you in violation, costing you in hefty fines and sanctions. This means that without an expensive legal professional, getting your website, app, and organization to be compliant can be tiresome and difficult. Ayubenda makes compliance painless by providing attorney-level solutions at the convenience that only software can provide. We handle the compliance so that you can focus on the business. Our solutions are built with the strictest regulations in mind, like the GDPR, the CCPA, and Australia's APPs. They're crafted and monitored by our international legal team, available in 8 languages, easy to use, fully customizable, and self-updating. With Ayubenda's privacy and cookie policy generator, you can create beautiful, professional, lawyer-crafted privacy and cookie policies. Add any of over 600 pre-created clauses instantly, or simply write your own. After saving, you can easily translate into any of our 8 supported languages with just one click. Best of all, it automatically updates when the law changes. Our cookie solution is all you need for complying with the EU cookie law. Quickly generate a fully customizable cookie banner. Collect and manage consent to cookies and block cookie installing scripts prior to collecting consent. Ayubenda makes it easy to get started by providing multiple integration options, including convenient plugins for popular web platforms like WordPress, Magento, and more. Terms and conditions set the rules for how your site, app, or service should be used, protecting you and your business from potential liabilities. With powerful features like plug-and-go integrations for popular platforms and legislation monitoring, our Terms and Conditions generator is capable of handling your most complex individual scenarios and customization needs. Our consent solution allows you to automatically track, store, manage, and retrieve consent and privacy preferences for each of your users, all in one place. It tracks every aspect of consent, including the legal notice your users agreed to, allowing you to prove compliance as required by privacy laws like the GDPR. Ayubenda's consent solution smoothly integrates with your consent forms, syncs with your legal documents, and includes a user-friendly visual dashboard for reviewing your consent records. With Ayubenda's internal privacy management solution, you can easily record all data processing activities within your organization. Add processing activities from over 600 pre-made options to easily define the data you collect, their purposes, the parties involved, as well as employee data, roles, and other GDPR-required records. All our solutions are integrated via a centralized user-friendly dashboard where you can monitor, edit, and update all solutions and languages across all your businesses, websites, or apps. And if you ever need a hand, our extensive documentation and support will give you all the information you need. Ayubenda is helping over 60,000 customers like you in over 100 countries to meet legal requirements. Sign up now and get compliant in minutes.